You have to get enough people to get it.
This system right here, this is cool.
And we did this system in Death Valley, and we were drinking cold water all weekend long.
That was a lot lighter than I anticipated. Huh? This was a lot lighter than I anticipated.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we are doing some truck camping up in Mount Charleston, Spring Mountain area. We out here celebrating Dottie's birthday, her dirty 30. Woo! I'll bleep it out. This is Amanda. Amanda, well, say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Okay, so Amanda is actually hammock camping, and this is the first time I've ever seen a standalone hammock camping setup, so I'm really stoked to see this. There's Rio eating a bunch of crap everywhere. All right, guys, so we came up here to escape the heat in Vegas. It's been a record-breaking week with the temps, you know, definitely over hundreds, 115. So Mount Charleston usually is a lot cooler, but it's about 89 degrees. All right, guys, so we got camp all set up. Got the rain fly going. Amanda's also got her standalone hammock. So these poles allow you to free hang the hammock, and she's gonna sleep in there. So that's a cool little setup right here. I've never seen like a hammock setup where it can hold up on its own without the requirement of trees. Got a little bug net on top right here, and then you got a sleeping bag inside. Got a pillow. So if you guys are wondering, this is an Enu Nomad Hammock Stand. I wonder how much this thing is. MSRP on this label, $250. That's not bad though. I mean, to be able to set this up anywhere, and all of the poles that came with this guy all fit in this bag right here. So about a 3 foot bag. Doesn't feel too heavy. Looks like that's how it's holding itself up, is using some rope right here. I think maybe you had to buy this hammock separately, a special hammock. But really cool setup. I like that. Something I just realized with the stand. So the way that these are all staying together, as you see that little rope in the middle, it's keeping all 4 legs together. So nothing just kind of like flies right out. Dottie and Angela are sleeping in the Kia tonight. A couple weeks ago, you guys might have seen our summer essential gear video. And if so, I just wanted to explain a little bit more of our water setup. So our water setup, our drinking water setup, that is. So for drinking water, we actually have a 3-part bottle system. So this one's running low. That's what I'm gonna do. And this is also double insulated. All right, so there's a big, huge chunk of ice in there, and that's what's keeping all our water cold. So I just do that, and then I always make sure to fill this up with ice. You fill it up all the way with ice so that there's a huge ice chunk in there, and it keeps your water cold pretty much for a couple days. I mean, we did this system in Death Valley, and we were drinking cold water all weekend long, which was awesome. And this one doesn't have to go anywhere special. Just put it down, put the lid back on, and then we'll have cold water for later. And this is our regular drinking water. Making some gourmet burgers tonight. Shrewd & Sons Butcher Blend, and then the Prime Burger. There's like a Prime Burger, and these are its flavors right here. Made some bacon. I'm making some mac and cheese. Some of this stuff. Charlie just ass-sploded some mayo.
I did not ass-splode the mayo. The altitude ass-sploded the
So,
mayo.
look at all this mayo. It's everywhere. Mayo everywhere. Good morning, guys. It is hot this morning.
Came in.
So it's only 8 o'clock and man, that sun is beating down hard. So Amanda mentioned something really cool about this hammock setup is as the sun was coming up, she was able to move it. I guess one-handedly, huh? You just kind of like scooted over and got it out of the sun and into the shade versus if this was a structured standing hammock, if it was connected to some trees, you really wouldn't be able to do that. So this is a really cool setup. I like it. Is this an UGG blanket?
Yeah.
That's what's up. How many pounds is like the poles and everything when it's
I'm not sure.
in here?
It feels like maybe about 5.
Five? What? And this hammock did come with the bug screen and everything all together. And she just puts a sleeping pad underneath and then has her sleeping bag on top. All right, guys, well, we are back home now. We ended up leaving camp early because it was getting pretty hot. And so we wanted to come back and just have brunch over at Dottie and Angela's house. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys found this interesting. Definitely, didn't really film too much, but hopefully you guys still enjoyed it. The Alaska series will be starting here in the next week or so. So stay tuned for that. If you guys like more videos like this, check out the channel. I do a new video every week on pretty much anything outdoors, camping, hiking, fishing, adventure videos like this one. So definitely check out the channel if you guys are into that. My name's Caden. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.